Problem set 7. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative answer for each of the following questions. Question number 1. The ratio of circumference and area of a circle is 2:7. Find its circumference in terms of pi. In terms of pi. This is not given, but I am telling you. See this. Ratio of circumference of circle is to area of a circle. Area of a circle. This is given. What is 2:7. Okay. Therefore, this is ratio. We write in division form. Therefore, circumference of a circle upon area of a circle is equal to 2:7. Therefore, circumference of circle formula 2 pi r upon area of a circle pi r square means r into r is equal to 2/7. Pi r cancelled. Therefore, we find first radius. See this. R is equal to. We take r to the right side and both these numbers to the left side. Therefore, 2 into 7. We take 7 here and 2 denominator. 2 cancel. Therefore, r is equal to 7 units. Okay. First we find radius of that given circle. Therefore, our original question, find its circumference. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r. Therefore, we put value of radius. R is equal to 7 units. Therefore, circumference of given circle is equal to 2 into 7, 14 and pi units. This is your answer. Question number 2. If measure of an arc of a circle is 160 degree, measure of an arc of a circle means minor arc, that is theta is equal to 160 degree. Now measure of arc is always equal to the central angle, measure of central angle, that is also theta. So we have given theta is equal to 160 degree and its length of an arc, length of an arc, bracket we write L, that is given 44 centimeter. Find the circumference of the circle. Okay. Now see this. Length is given. With the help of length, First of all, we will find radius. Okay, see this. Length of an arc is equal to L is equal to 44 centimeter. Now formula for length, theta upon 360 into 2 pi r is equal to 44 centimeter. But question is find the circumference of the circle. Then it's easy. There is no need to find radius. See this. This part is called circumference of a circle. This part is called circumference of a circle. So there is no need to find radius. Okay. Into theta 160 degree upon 360 is equal to 44 centimeter. 0 0 cancel. 4 4 जा 4 9 जा. Therefore circumference of a circle is equal to 44 into 9 upon 4. Therefore 4 1 जा 4 1 जा. Did you get it? Therefore circumference of a circle is equal to 99 centimeter. This is your option D. This is your option D. Did you get it? Question number 3. Find the perimeter of a sector of a circle if its measure is, means measure is 90 degree. Then we have given theta is equal to 90 degree and radius is 7 centimeter. Then find the perimeter of a sector of a circle. See here. Therefore perimeter of a sector of a circle is equal to what is length plus 2r. Length of an arc plus 2r. Length here. Suppose this is circle and this is sector. This is sector. We know measure of this. We know radius. Then find the perimeter of a sector of a circle. See this. This is O dash ABC is our sector. Perimeter means length of an arc ABC plus radius plus radius. Radius plus radius. R plus R. Did you get it? And length of an arc. That is we say perimeter of that particular sector. Did you get it? Length of an arc plus OA plus OC. Did you get it? Therefore formula theta upon 360 into 2 pi r plus 2 r. Now we put values here. Theta 90 degree upon 360 into 2 into value of pi. We write 22 upon 7 into radius 7 plus 2 into 7. 7 cancelled. 90 4 जा 2 2 जा 2 11 जा. Therefore 11 okay plus 2 into 7 14 is equal to 25. Perimeter that is in centimeter because radius is in centimeter. Therefore the perimeter of a sector of a circle is 25 centimeter. This is our option B. Question number 4. Find the curved surface area of a cone of radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. See this. This is cone. This is cone. This is perpendicular height and this is radius. H. Height is given 24 centimeter. We don't know slant height L and radius of a base 7 centimeter. When we find curved surface area, then we want slant height. L square is equal to R square plus H square. Therefore, L square is equal to R 7 square plus H, what is 24 bracket square. Therefore, L square is equal to 49 plus 576. Therefore, L square is equal to 625. Taking square roots of both the sides, square root and square cancelled, is equal to square root of 625. Therefore, slant height L is equal to 25 centimeter. This is our first answer. Then important answer. The curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone is equal to pi r L. Okay, we substitute values. The curved surface area of a cone is equal to 22 upon 7 into 25. Therefore, 7 cancelled. 25 to the 50. Carry 5. Then 50 plus 5. When we write area, then square unit means centimeter square or square centimeter, meter square, kilometer square, like that. Here Our unit is centimeter, so we write centimeter square or square centimeter, and our option is B. Question number 5. The curved surface area of a cylinder. Series. This is cylinder. This is cylinder. Now the radius R is equal to 5 centimeter. Then find its height. Height in terms of pi. Height in terms of pi. Series. Therefore, the curved surface area of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi r h. Now we have given the curved surface area of cylinder 440 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 5 into h, but don't put here value of pi in terms of pi. Did you get it? Therefore, series, we keep this h here as it is, and we take these three terms to the left side. Series 440 cm square, this 2 into pi into 5 centimeter. This is radius. Here no unit to 2 because 2 is in the formula. So centimeter and this cancelled. 5 and 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 cancel this. Did you get it? Therefore, h is equal to 44 upon 5 centimeter. This is our option A. Question number 6. A cone was melted. Cone. See here. This cone was melted. Series. This is height and this is radius. Okay. In this cone. Cone was melted and cast into a cylinder, means with the help of this cone, cylinder that is casted series, and radius of this is equal to the radius of cone. Okay, series. Same radius as that of the base of the cone. If the height of the cylinder is 5 centimeter, here small, so we take here capital 5 centimeter. Find the height of the cone. We don't know height of the cone. Did you get it? When there is question like to melt anything else, then always we write volume. Volume of cone is equal to, from this we make cylinder. we make cylinder. So we find volume of cylinder. Did you get it? Volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h, but small h. Volume of cylinder pi r square capital H. Now here pi r square same, so cancel. Therefore we want to find H. 1 into H upon 3 is equal to capital H 5 centimeter. Therefore small h is equal to 3 into 5 centimeter. Therefore small h is equal to 15 centimeter. This is our option A. This is our answer. Question number 7. Find the volume of a cube of side 0.01 centimeter. See this. Our answer. Length of side is given. Side is equal to 0.01 centimeter. Then question, find the volume of that cube. Therefore, volume of cube is equal to side bracket cube. Volume of cube is equal to side bracket cube. The length of the side is given. Say this 0.01 centimeter bracket cube. Therefore, the volume of cube, therefore, volume of cube is equal to series 0.01 3 times multiplication. See here 3 times 0.01 into 0.01 into 0.01 means 1 into 1 into 1 means 1. Okay, and how many decimal places? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Therefore series 6 decimal places. 1 2 3 4 5 and 1 into 1 means 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 centimeter cube. This is the volume of that cube, given cube. This is our answer, and this answer is option D. Did you get it? Now question number 8. Series question number 8. Find the side of a cube of volume 1 meter cube. Now we don't know length of that side, but we have given volume of that cube. Therefore volume of given cube is equal to side cube, but we have given volume, that is 1 meter cube, and we want to find length of side is equal to side cube. Now taking cube roots of both the sides, therefore taking cube roots of both sides, therefore cube root of 1 meter cube is equal to cube root of side cube. Cube root, so we write here series. Now here cube root of 1 is 1 and meter cube 3 cancelled. So what is left? Meter is equal to side. This is your actual answer, but we have given here option A 1 centimeter, B 10 centimeter, C 100 centimeter, D 1000 centimeter. So we want to find in centimeter. This is bigger one. Meter is bigger than centimeter. So 1 meter means 100 centimeter is equal to length of side. Therefore, length of side is equal to 1 into 100. 100 centimeter. This is our option C.